welcome to MoFitMeals. Today I'm going to show you some egg cups, but I'm going to show you egg cups with a whole egg, and I'm going to show you egg cups with just the egg whites. And I'm also going to introduce a plant-based protein that I use. I don't eat red meat, so this is a great way for me to kind of get the extra protein that I'm looking for, and it tastes really delicious. Let's get started. We're going to need a 12-count cupcake tin, 6 whole eggs, a carton of egg whites from Sam's Club or Costco, ground beef alternative, it's Trader Joe's Beefless. I actually love this substitute that I use, and you might actually like it too. It comes across as kind of lentil-y, but here's why I really love it. The nutrition is awesome. For a 3rd cup serving, it's 60 calories, 1 gram of fat, 4 carbs, but the fiber is 3, so it's really 1 net carb, and finally the protein. It's 9 grams, so that's again for a 3rd cup, and it's 55 grams one weight. Then I'm going to add another alternative I love, almond mozzarella style shreds. It's from Trader Joe's. And then for some spices, I'm going to add some basil, some garlic powder, red chili pepper flakes. This is going to give it some heat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Now I already measured out 2 servings of my ground beef. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of a ground beef texture. It looks just like it. And again, the taste is pretty great. I really enjoy it. So I'm going to just kind of put a little bit after I break it up, a little bit in each one of my cups. And again, you can use as much as you want. You should get like a nice decent amount for each one. Now, this is to your liking. You can add more. Okay, that's all done. Now for my sun-dried tomatoes. This adds a really nice flavor. It's kind of sweet. It's robust. The macros, again, are really friendly. So adding another flavor to my eggs. And eggs can be flavorless. So when we start adding things like this, it really does make a difference. What I like to do is they come in little julienne strips. So I have my kitchen shears, and I'm just kind of snipping in some. So yeah, that looks really nice. Okay, let's add some of my mozzarella. I'm gonna just say, about maybe a half a tablespoon for each cup. Just kind of eyeball it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna see the result is gonna be nice and fluffy. You can make these in your meal prep containers. I used to do this for MoFitMeals, and I did all kinds of different flavors, but this is just one of them I thought I might go. But I'm a huge egg fan, so I think that eggs and chicken are probably the best way to have your protein. Okay, so now we're gonna finish it off. We're gonna start seasoning. I'm gonna add some of my basil in each cup, some garlic powder. Now the garlic powder really is to taste, but I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it all. Some red chili pepper flakes for some heat. I'm gonna add some sea salt. Okay, so these are ready for my oven. I did set the oven at 375 degrees conventional, so probably 350 for a regular oven. Just kind of make sure you check it out. And then these will go for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you eyeball it, make sure that the eggs are cooked through. Let's do this. And here they are. Look how puffy they get, and they are so good, and they're seasoned perfectly. These are the egg whites. They actually puffed up more so than the ones with the yolk, but they're both perfect. What I like to do is add some fat on the ones with the egg whites. I'll put some avocado, some olive oil, and then I'll add some extra salt on it just to bring out that flavor. Okay, let's serve these up. This is a perfect snack or a meal, and it's ready for you when you're ready to eat. The macros are insane. I'll put information below. And then what I have also done back in the MoFitMeal days, I used to stack up about 6, and then you can put them in the fridge for up to 5 days and enjoy them anytime you want. They heat nicely. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe up above or down below, and stay tuned for my next video. Have a great day, and remember, stay MoFit.